So I'm going to show you guys what's in the box on these Kumar Brothers USA engine kits for this one's for the Kubota l295 DT. The l295, it's actually for you have to look on your engine and get your engine number, which is on this tractor is a 1301. So I guess that fits a lot of different tractors, and it's supposed to be 29.5 horsepower for this tractor, but maybe it has different fuel distribution for the other ones, if it's less horsepower or more. But anyway, here's what's in the kit. It comes, all the pistons come in nice little boxes. It looks like they're pretty heavy, and they look like they're casted the same as the original piston that came in this. So if you look at the castings, they look relatively the same. The Kumar kit does not have liners in it, so if your bore is compromised, which mine was in good shape, the reason I'm doing the rebuild on this is not for the top end, it's actually for the bottom end. And the reason that went out is typically on these l295 DTs, especially the bolts come loose to the front differential, which is, again, this is a tractor, it doesn't have a frame, right? So the bolts come loose holding that part on and wiggle around and crack the oil pan. It's a very common thing that goes wrong with these. So if you have that issue, that's probably going to be you rebuilding your engine for that reason. You can get these right at the Kumar website, and when you order it from them, when I ordered it from them, I could not get the bearings that I wanted through their website. I had to call them, just so you know. So if you want, the 0.2 millimeter bearings for the rods, and mine had the there's the bushings for the rods. I had that one of the rods resized. It actually didn't get hot or anything, but it just stretched the rod just a little bit, even though the bearing was totally toast that was on it, because we shut it down right away and didn't run it with a bad rod for very long at all. And it didn't even get hot because it's such low RPMs. But it looks like the quality of the kit is pretty good. Everything says Kumar Brothers USA. I was looking for China, and I'm not finding anything that's made in China. So I don't know if they are made in China, if they're made in the USA. I know that the Chinese also do make a kit for these that comes with liners, and I've seen them on eBay. I was going to maybe order that one, but then I saw their website here. It looked like a pretty good deal. Well, I don't know what that means. Oh, in the bottom here. Who knows? I don't see that it says made in China anywhere. But they could be just a USA company selling Chinese stuff. I don't know. But usually it says made in China when it's made in China. So it comes with all the seals. It comes with the gasket set. It comes with bearings. Because these are the main bearings, and you can get them whatever. Oh shoot, idiots put the wrong bearings in. I told them 0.1s for the mains, and they gave me 0.2s. Great. So let's call them 0.4. Gave me all different stuff. Somebody messed up. So anyway, but you can order it from them directly, and they actually have everything there, and can ship it out to you. kit's about $500-600 for depending on the motor you have. For this one, it was like $500, and it's not too bad. It looks like decent quality stuff. It's all there, but obviously they didn't know how to box the right stuff. So got some challenges here. So I don't know, this says main bearing 0.2. I don't know, I'll have to look through here and find out what I have. But it looks like maybe they sent out some of the wrong stuff because I'm looking at the sizing, it doesn't look correct. So anyway, that's what's in the kit. Figure that you might have to order it twice because I'm probably going to have to straighten this out with them. But, you know, it doesn't look like a bad quality kit. Trying to show you what's in it, because if you're going to order one, you really don't have any idea what you're getting, and I didn't either. So, I don't know what these are. Thrust washer. And it comes with pretty much everything you need. So, that's your engine kit. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Keep subscribed. Make sure you watch the rest of the stuff. If you have a l295, we're gonna show a little bit more about the rebuild here. We will not do a step-by-step on this. We'll just kind of show you process. But what will happen is you'll be able to kind of see what it's like, so you're not totally shooting in the dark, some of the stuff apart. You know, I can't stand there and do a step-by-step on this. It's just too much time. I don't have the time to do it. But we're going to do a lot of video footage on this thing apart so you can see things, what they look like apart. If I see something challenging, I might do a video on that little section. And that's it. So anyway, I'll talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.